Performing assistive device using quad cane. These are the parts of the quad cane: the hand grip, C-cork handle, adjustable telescoping notch, single upright, base, prongs, rubber suction tip. I performing severe affectation. My bad leg is left. Advance the unaffected leg. Follow the affected leg together with the cane. Performing mild affectation. Advance the affected leg together with the cane, followed by the unaffected leg. Performing auxiliary crutches. These are the part of crutch: shoulder piece, bilateral upright, hand grip, adjustable telescoping notch, single upright, rubber suction tip. Performing post injuries. My bad leg is left. Tripod position. Advance the left crutch together with the unaffected leg. Follow the right crutch together with the affected leg. Tripod position, 6 inches lateral, 6 inches forward. Advance. Performing 3.8 position, by tripod position, advance the both crutches, followed by the unaffected leg. Tripod position, 6 inches. Performing 4.8 tripod position, advance the left crutch, followed by the unaffected leg, followed by the right crutch, followed by the affected leg. Wala tayong swing to gate, tripod position, advance the both crutch, and then swing the lower extremities beyond to the level of the rubber suction tip. Tripod position, 6 inches lateral, 6 inches forward. Swing through gate, tripod position, advance the both crutches, then swing the lower extremities beyond to the level of rubber suction tip. Performing assistive device using walker. These are the part of the walker: the hand grip, folder mechanism, 4 upright, adjustable telescoping notch, rubber suction tip, roller or caster. Performing full weight bearing. Advance the walker, follow the affected leg, follow the unaffected leg. Performing partial weight bearing, advance the walker, follow the affected leg, tiptoeing, then follow the unaffected leg. Non-weight bearing, advance the walker, follow the unaffected leg. Swing to gate, advance the walker, then swing the lower extremities. Drag to gate, advance the walker, then drag the lower extremities. Performing ascending and descending up to the good, down with the bad.
Swing the lower extremity.